In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare employee timesheets for payroll in QuickBooks Time. We'll walk through how to launch QuickBooks Time, review the hours your team has logged, and approve timesheets so they're payroll ready. The goal is to make sure every hour, regular, overtime, and time off, is accurate and properly assigned before payroll runs. Start by launching QuickBooks Time. If you're in QuickBooks Online, go to All Apps and select Time. You can also use the Launch QuickBooks Time button if it's available in your setup. This takes you directly into the time tracking workspace. Next, open Time Entries from the left menu. This is where you'll see the hours employees have tracked for the period. Before you do anything else, set your date range to the exact pay period you're preparing. Then review the totals for each employee. Look for regular hours, overtime, and any time off. Watch for anything that seems out of place, like unusually high overtime or missing days. If your company tracks work by job or customer, verify that each time entry is assigned correctly. Clear, accurate job assignments not only help with billing and job costing, but also keep your reports clean. Employees need to submit their time for approval. Unsubmitted time appears as pending, so if you see pending entries, it means the employee hasn't submitted yet. Give them a reminder to submit so their hours can move forward. Pending entries won't be ready for payroll until they're submitted and approved. Once submissions are in, go to Approvals from the left menu. Here, review the submitted time for each team member. Confirm the hours, date range, and any notes or job assignments. When everything looks correct, approve the timesheets. You can approve one at a time for a closer review, or approve in bulk if you've already validated the details and need to move quickly. After approval, the time is considered payroll ready and becomes locked. Locked time prevents last-minute changes, which helps keep payroll consistent and error-free. If you notice something after approval, keep in mind that only admins and managers control approvals, and only approved time should be used for payroll. This control ensures the numbers that flow into payroll are accurate and final. That's how to prepare timesheets for payroll in QuickBooks Time. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.